guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Guys, do you believe it's been 2 weeks since we moved in? And so I wanted to come on and give you our new house updates this week. And believe it or not, we had some snow. So I thought I would video that and share that with you. You know, that was our first snow, and then after the snow we had some beautiful sunrises, and I'll share that with you also. Mr. Fix-It put an outlet in the middle of the floor. He had to drill a hole in our new flooring, so I was I was a little bit skeptical, but knowing what Mr. Fix-It can do and his ability, I did trust him to get that done. Also, we went back to our old residence and did a cleanup, and I want to share that with you, so getting it prepared for the new owners to move in January. We're also getting ready to decorate our new home for the holidays. For those of you who are returning, I do thank you so much. I know my videos have not been on a regular basis, and I will get back to Farmhouse Friday, probably starting in January. I'm excited about that. Should be through the holidays setting up for that. I still have things in boxes, and I'll try to share that with you as we go along and get settled in our new home. Also, for those of you who are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around with us for a while and going along with our journey. And we're as we do our new home, and also some DIYs, and we share some projects around our home. Some of you may remember in our last home, I asked Mr. Fix-It to cut the table down to size, and he did a wonderful job, and he had this beautiful chestnut wood that he made the top, and fortunately he did keep the top portion of the table and the cutoffs. So now that we can set up a bigger table, Mr. Fix-It is going to try and work on that. So watch the video and see how that comes out. Also, I wanted to let you know that I will have a video coming soon decorating for the holidays. So decorate with me in our new home, trying to get it put together. And I know a lot of people already have their Christmas home tour 2020 out, and I have just loved watching every one of them, and it's given me so much inspiration. However, I wasn't able to do a lot of shopping this year with the move and getting the other house ready for the new owners and moving into this new home. So I have dug out a lot of decorations that I've had in the past, and just going to use those. So stick around and see how that comes out. As you can see in the background, there's a couple of windows. All of the blinds, not all of them, we still got about 4 to put up, maybe 3. I have ordered some drapes for the windows that you see behind me. Those haven't come in yet, so I'm looking forward to getting that done. And also, you don't see anything up on my fireplace. I was going to make a DIY of a sign, but getting my computer set back up and my Cameo silhouette, I'm unable to do that. So enough chit-chatting and going on about everything. I do welcome anybody that's new here, and also those that are returning. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I've lost a few of you, but thank you for sticking around, and we'll get back to that Farmhouse Friday and DIYs and the home tours and the decorate with me and the shopping hauls. So those are all coming. Enjoy the video.
Christmas night in the middle of a storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Her laughter traveled well across those hardwood floors. God knows we didn't have much, but in a way, you know we had it all. She grew up fast, in a breath or two she was on her way out the door, while her clothes were drying on a line outside the porch. With that worn out truck and a lot of hope, she left one Thursday morn. Like the storm she came with, never let her go. God knows we didn't have much, but we gave all that we had to give. So just keep going, find your way in this world. If you need us, we'll be there. Keep on searching for your pot of gold. If you need us, we'll be there. You gotta treasure the moments you get. Can't flip the hourglass to start over again.
Mr. Fix-It is using a kit from Lowe's, and this had a template that he had drawn out here on the floor to do the cut.
Going back around, dreaming of a time.
We went back to our old residence and I did a cleanup. I cleaned all of the floors, the baseboards, the blinds, the kitchen, the bathrooms, cleaned up the laundry room. Just wanted the new owner, when she moves in, she's a single mom with 2 kids, that she's going to have a great experience moving into her new home come January. So I was so happy to get that done, and it's just going to be a great experience. And we know that the Lord tells us to do unto others as we would like others to do unto us. And so that is what I was thinking here. I wanted to make it a great experience for the new family moving in. You can see this wall. We did paint that wall. It had a little bit of where we had filled in some nail holes, but went ahead and got some paint and painted that and made it right. And you can see the fireplace where the TV is there. We're leaving that for the new owner to set her TV on as well. And so everything was just cleaned up. Took down the drapes and from the back porch and hung those up. So got everything done there, and it took us about a day because Mr. Fix-It was out loading up some things from the shop, getting that wrapped up so that we can close on this house in January.
Heart, slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces.
The new family will pretty much just have to move in and they can set their furniture down, and the refrigerator is clean, the oven's clean, and the microwave's all clean. So they are going to have a great experience just moving in. Now coming back to our new home, finding all of my decorations, trying to get those out for the holidays. It was a little bit overwhelming. I did find my tree and my flock to garland, and just got a lot of things just sort of sitting around. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. It was so overwhelming at one point that you can see the table here, and you'll see it come back to all of its glory. The cord that was running across the floor, and Mr. Fix-It did fix that, so we have no cord because our sofa is electric, the reclining part. I was beginning to feel like Grinch and just wanted to box everything up and just call it, a year, but Mr. Fix-It came to the rescue and took several days off of work and helped out, so we were able to get a few things together, including getting some blinds up. But here is the table in all of its glory now, back to the original way that it was when I purchased it. And if you remember the blinds in the kitchen, it had so much extra, but Mr. Fix-It worked on that on one day, and here they are, just all beautiful. And we got those from Lowe's. I don't know if a lot of people know, but you can put the order in, give the measurements, and they fix them to that measurement, and most of the time have free shipping. So I just love to get my blinds from Lowe's. These are the Levelor blinds, and here it is in the dining room, all put together, just bright. I just love it. If you remember, the bathroom mirror was taken down. We had a contractor come in and take that down, and then we have painted it, and they need new light fixtures. So here is the one, and I still have to search for a mirror to go in each bathroom at a later date. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Until my next video, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.